Hello everyone and welcome to Coding DIY videos. My name is Veda and I am a coding instructor with 98th percentile. Fireworks, barbecues, carnivals and more. It's that time of the summer again that everybody looks forward to. 4th of July is around the corner where America celebrates its Independence Day in so many different ways. It's a great day to connect with the people we love and send greetings and good wishes. We have some new ways you can wish your friends and family and make them feel special. We will be making an e-card for the 4th of July using Scratch as a platform. So as we all know, Scratch is a famous block coding platform which is used to make stories, games and apps. Now, without further wait, let's get started and let me show you how you can get started with Scratch. So this is the e-card that we will be making for 4th of July. Like you can see, it's got a beautiful backdrop. It's got a design that like an envelope that we're going to make and also a card. So how do we create this e-card? To get started off with, you'll have to sign in with your account or make a new account on Scratch. Once you've done that, you can click on create, which will take you to the initial screen. So it's divided into three parts. Your Scratch screen is divided into three parts. The left side is called as the code palette, where you will find all the codes. The middle part is called as the script, where you will be clicking and dragging all the codes. And the right part is called as your backdrop. And then it's got a sprite. Now, sprite is any character on your screen. For the e-card, I don't need a cat sprite. So I will be deleting that. Now I have downloaded a backdrop of fireworks in my system. You can do the same and then we can upload it. How do we upload a backdrop? You can go to the right side bottom corner, choose a backdrop, and then there are three things that you can do. You can search from a backdrop from the Scratch platform itself. You can draw a backdrop and you can also upload. For this project, let me choose upload. So I have fireworks. So this can be your backdrop. Now, as I see, there's a lot of white gaps in my screen, which doesn't look that great. So you'll have to click on convert to vector. Once you click on convert to vector, select the box like this by clicking, and then using the arrows, you can probably make it slightly bigger. There you go. I'm just going to stretch it so that it covers the entire screen. Now our backdrop is ready. Now in Scratch, the best way to bring in any design is to create it as sprites. Now click on choose a sprite. Now the same thing, you can either choose a sprite, you can draw and you can upload. So we're going to design our own sprite. So let us click on this brush. And the first sprite that we're going to make is our envelope that we saw. So it was of blue color and it got that red diamond shape in the center. So I'm going to choose the rectangle since we have to make a rectangle. And then let's choose probably blue. This is the way you choose the color. And you need, of course, you need an outline. So outline will be black. This will be the thickness of your outline. I want it a little dark. I'm going to keep it at 6. Now this can be your, I think that's a little big. Let me make it smaller. That looks great. And I need to make a triangle over here. Now for that, I'm going to draw a line on top of this line because we'll have to fill the color. So this is one way you can do it. That's your triangle. Now let's fill in the color. So there you go. So that's your something like an envelope. Let's just move it here. I need to make the red color diamond shape. I'm going to use the line for it. And click and drag and kind of make the shape of a diamond. You can add a red color over here. There you go. If you feel that you need to probably make it a little big or small, you can click on this arrow, select this and slightly alter it. I think that looks good. Now that looks like an envelope. Now coming to the card, I need to add another sprite for the card. So I'm going to do the same thing. Click on choose and then click on draw. Now I have a fresh one. So I'm going to fill the color as white because the card was white. Your outline can be the same. So there's your card. You can make it a little bigger if you like. And I need to get a line, something like this. Yes, so that it looks like a card, and join it, and do not forget to make the bottom line as well, since you have to fill the color. So let's fill the color now. I'm going to go with a light shade of gray. There you go. And then over here, let's add the text. So you have to click on the T and then probably some shade of pink would do. I'm going to type in 4th of July. Change the font. If you wanted to make it bigger, you can, and let's bring it a little. Yes, 4th of July, and here you had the picture of um, a flag, an American flag. So let's upload a picture of the American flag on top of the text. Now for that we will have to create another sprite and upload the picture. However, I have it uploaded with me. You can download the picture of your choice. All you have to do is reduce the size over here, probably make it 20. Let's try. Yeah, move this at the top, and there you go. Now for the firecracker right over here at the sides, we had two fireworks. We can click on the card, go to costumes. Now over here we can make a small rectangle like this. You can choose a color of your choice. I'm going to make it red. Click on the line to make your triangle. And then you can fill the color. You can select this. Click on the arrow. Click on the triangle and then fill color. I'm going to go with blue. And yes. And then probably you can make another small triangle over here for the base. Don't worry about the position, since you'll be able to move it to the center. And then you can choose a color of your choice. For this, I'm going to go with black. Now you want to tilt this, so let's select it, and the arrow over here that looks like a U, just tilt all the little designs that you have, move them place them, tilt this one as well, and there you go. Now you don't have to make another one. You can just click on it and say, I'm sorry, yeah, you can click on this, Control C and Control V. You got another one. All you have to do in this one is you have to tilt it, isn't it? Probably the other way around. Similarly, select the triangle, Control C, Control V. You got a duplicate, place it here, and just tilt it and keep it on top of the triangle. The same thing with the base part. Move it. Now this makes sure that all your sprites are of the same size. It shouldn't look like one is bigger and one is smaller. So this will just make sure that both of your fireworks are, let me just, yeah, position it. There you go. So if you want to add another text over here, you can write American. For the next line, you can click on enter and then write Independence Day. So this can be an enter too. Now you can move this a little bit to the center probably, and you can just place it there. So there you go. This is the complete card with a backdrop. In your backdrop, if you have many other sprites or many other costumes, then you can probably use next costume. However, in this one, there is just one costume. This is an extra backdrop that's there. You can delete it, and there you have. Now, how do you rename your project? You can click here at the top and say 4th of July. And how do you share them with your family and friends? Just click share over here. So you have got a link over here, right over here. Click on copy link. Copy the link, and now this is copied and it is ready to be pasted on any platform like a mail or on WhatsApp, and you can share it in Facebook and other social medias so that all your friends and family can see your card. So this is the way that the card is made. I hope all of you enjoyed making this card. Please give it a try, and a very happy 4th of July American Independence Day in advance. I hope you have a wonderful one with your family and friends. Thank you so much.